So here's a piece of foam that I cut to about a little more than a half the width of a brick, just to get under this window seal. And then I fashioned a piece of tape like a handle. So once I get it on, it's easy to pull out of little small spaces. This is in lieu of using a sponge, which I got into this little small space with a kitchen sponge. And that works when the wall stamp goes against the wall and then you have that leftover spot. But check this out. So then I pull this off with it really suctions the foam. But look at that, that's a good remedy instead of cutting up the brick stamp. So we'll finish these little spaces using foam. This is just foam from like a Michaels. And then this right here I did with a sponge in little areas, but I'll go back in with a little paintbrush. So just tips and tricks, theoriginalwallstamp.com.